A warm welcome to the Adelboden Switzerland model railway. My name is Derek. Thank you for your visit. I hope you're all doing well. I love the automation possibilities with TrainController, so this video is to demonstrate one of my favourites. A steamer hauls a passenger train to Adelboden and requires fuel and water. Its replacement is ready to go in a fuel siding. There are many movements required. At the push of a single button, TrainController will check everything is in place, then do the job. No fuss, no bother, it's just cool. So let's go. Unfortunately, I do not know how to automate the process of informing TrainController an engine has been disconnected from the rake, so I'll just show the normal method here. How my automation system works, I move an engine train from one block to another with the start key and the destination key. and there is a schedule to do that. So what I did is I copied that schedule and renamed it, but instead of having a destination key there, I used this block S8, which is a refueling block, as the destination key. And I can show you on here the schedule, and where Adelboden P1, and it finishes there. When it's done that, it then calls a similar copied schedule to move it from S2 to S6, and there is a successor there to move it on to the next block, and this continues until the engine ends up in the refueling block. Having done that, I then created a similar arrangement to move it from the refueling block back to S1 via the OI. When both of these were complete and tested, I then created this on-off switch, and this first of all calls the schedule to move the train that needs refueling from Adelboden P1 to the refueling block S8A, and then it also calls the schedule which moves the refueled engine back to Adelboden P1 to take on its duty there. There's a delay of 30 seconds, and then this switch is switched off. There is a condition where there must be an engine in the start and destination blocks, and basically that's how it works. Hope this has been helpful.